Hello, Mark here, product support here at Attach 2. In today's video, we're going to explain the differences between our single ram and twin ram tilt buckets. With our single ram tilt buckets, they have a capable tilt range of 45 degrees in each direction. We do the single ram tilt buckets up to 4 tonne. One of the key benefits of our single ram tilt bucket is by having one cylinder, this reduces weight, therefore increases cycle times of the machine. Here we have our twin ram tilt bucket, which we do from a 5 tonne right up to a 40 tonne size. Some of the key features of this tilt bucket incorporates twin ram design much similar to our ram tilt coupler. One of the key benefits using our twin ram tilt buckets is the equal displacement cylinders used, meaning constant pressure on both cylinders. Whereas you come to our smaller single ram tilt bucket, we do use a double acting cylinder. However, force is always on one side, meaning you're likely to replace bushes more often. And similar to our single ram tilt bucket, the twin ram will also go 45 degrees in both directions. Much like our ram tilt coupler, we oversize our tilt cylinders. Now this will ensure great holding power and durability. Another innovative feature on our twin ram tilt buckets are the bolt-on cutting edges, which are both removable and reversible. Both of these buckets are built tough and won't disappoint. If you need to know any more information about our bucket range, click here.